All right, physics students, I'm going to show you how to install Logger Pro right now. I've gone to the topics section in your course page, so it should be up here at the top. If you don't see it at the top, it should be down. If not there, it should be at the bottom. So anyhow, Vernier Logger Pro resources. Go in here. I've already got a couple videos in here, how to do video analysis, how to input data, and then down here we have the actual install information. All right. For Windows 10 or Mac OS X, all right, so this isn't going to run on a Chromebook. If you don't have Windows 10 or Mac OS X or OS 10, you can download older versions down here. So I shouldn't say even 10, I guess up to 10.12. So if you're not sure, on a Mac, you click the little apple and you go about this Mac. All right. And this is Mojave 10.14.16. All right. So not a bad little computer, not a great little computer. Works all right anyway. So right here, I can get this version. So I'm going to click it. It's a Mac, so it's a DMG file, not an executable. Now, let's see here. We shouldn't need any special passwords. Oh, for the older versions, yeah, the older versions had passwords. So pay attention to that if you have to do one of the older versions. We'll see how this install goes. So it's downloaded pretty quickly. Opening it up. Again, I'm using Chrome, but I've never really gotten into Safari myself. So I'm just going to keep installing. Sometimes, Mac installs a little bit different than PC, but all right, continue. Continue. English, great. Continue. I agree. 262 megabytes, that's really not that bad. Macintosh HD. Hope I got that password right. Oh, messed it up. Forget sometimes if I do my standard one or not. Oh boy, what's going on here? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, caps lock's on. That's what's going on. There we go. Classic mistake. Caps lock was on. Ay. All right, so here we go. Installing Logger Pro. Again, everybody should know how to install programs on their computer no matter what it is. If it's a Mac, a Windows, especially you're a junior in high school, a senior in high school. In a year, you're going to be on your own. You're not going to have anybody to help you. You should be able to install programs. Now, you also have to be able to install programs intelligently, right? You don't download, packages of backgrounds for your computer. Don't download packages of screensavers. That used to be a thing. Actually, a former teacher once, as actually an administrator, got a virus on their computer. She had install permissions, and she installed some screensaver package, and it put a virus on. So all that stuff is terrible. Facebook games, any of that stuff, right? Like, play games on your phone, play games on your Xbox, PS1, on whatever. If you've got a work computer or a computer you're doing your work on, be very careful. Don't play Facebook games. Don't, that's how you get viruses, all that stuff. Just stay away from it. I doubt any of my students play Facebook games, let alone, go on Facebook, let alone play Facebook games. All right, so supposedly it's installed. Let's see what we have here. All right. Finder. Let's see. Applications. Logger Pro 3. There it is. Then from there, you can put that, I'll put that on my taskbar. I'll pin it down here next to my Fusion 360. All right. So there it is. And then from there, Logger Pro. Will open up. Might take a little while the first time if it's, doing its setup. It takes a little while anyways. I'm not sure why. It's not a very, big program or intensive program, but I have noticed that even on other computers. What's it bouncing, not doing anything? Do I dare click it again? Usually when Screencastify is running, it does slow down the system because it's recording video, it's recording audio, saving it, so sometimes that can really slow things down. So let me see here. Let me try it again. And we'll try to see what's going on. Here we go. All right, so it does look a little bit different. Some of the buttons changed color as compared to the video I made before, which was actually on a PC. So maybe on a PC these colors are traditional, but that's, it looks like all the same videos that are same options as we had before. So anyhow, good luck to you. If you need any help installing the software, let me know. Talk to you later.